Today we've got a really simple checkerboard stitch pattern. I'm doing this video at the request of a friend who is a newish knitter, and she'd seen another knitter making a scarf using this checkerboard pattern, and she wanted to know how to do it. So in this particular example, I've got 25 stitches on the needle. It's worked over a multiple of 10 stitches plus 5. So that's 10 stitches, another 10 stitches, plus 5 for 25 stitches on this sample. Here's the back. Looks the same as the front. It's a really great pattern for beginner knitters because it just uses knit stitches and purl stitches, and that's it. Let's get started. Row 1. Knit 5, purl 5, knit 5, purl 5, and then knit 5. Row 2, we will be knitting the knits and purling the purls, and that just is going to be a purl 5, knit 5, purl 5, knit 5, and then the last 5 is a purl 5. Row 3, knit 5, purl 5, knit 5, purl 5, knit 5, and then row 4 is just again knitting the knits and purling the purls, which is purl 5, knit 5, purl 5, knit 5, purl 5. And we'll just do those 2 rows once more. Knit 5, purl 5. Purl 5, knit 5, and then we will alternate the checkerboard. There's our first section of checkerboard, and then we will alternate. So we've done 6 rows of checkerboard, and the next 6 rows we'll start with a purl 5, so purl 5, knit 5, purl 5, knit 5, purl 5. Wrong side row is knit the knits and purl the purls, and so that looks like a knit 5, purl 5, knit 5, purl 5, the last 5 are a knit 5. Now we should be on row 9, purl 5, knit 5. Row 10 is knit the knits and pearls, the pearls, so that's a knit 5. Purl 5. Row 11, purl 5, knit 5, in row 12, knit the knits and purl the pearls, so that's a knit 5, and that's it. You just keep repeating those 12 rows. So you're doing 6 rows with starting with a knit 5, purl 5, and then 6 rows starting with a purl 5, knit 5.